January. I had a big flood last night. It's been raining for 2 days. Can't tell. It jumped right over in there. Went over through the bus garage. If you can tell anything or not. Pushed them buses against each other there. On down through there. Knocked one of us down in the river here. Or went right through the building.
Right down that Blood Street.
Boulevard.
This is the jail, and this is what it did to the they was piled up on top of each other.
Where you went today? You go through them houses?
Who heard my out here in the car? I did. Somebody did. One of you did out here.
Down through all the playground equipment, took all of it. Got another bus stuck in over here.
He probably didn't leave his tire on it.
What's down that bridge caught it.
You know what? Right down there used to be rocks off it.
Yeah. Let's jump it right here.
Right down there was the all rocks. That's the one back.
There's solid well.
The parking lot. It's full of water. Got a little car here that, well, I see its tires. No, it must have just been all that water.
Bill here to this.
That's where Mama works.
That real deep water right there in there.
I'd say it is on it. Down in Valley Ford on the low road. Got almost up to the houses. We got some nice cigars left. It looked like it took a hit.
It gets it just real quick.
No, it don't. Blue Trans Am sitting
Uh-oh.
all the way down through that. Car slipped over and everything else. It's been all through here. All he vanished.
Been up in our house, too.
Yeah.
It bent that light pole over.
Yeah. We come road through there. See, they're just putting that house in.
Oh, that's for double wide.
Double wide. You see it?
Look at that dog.
He's all muddy, ain't he? Ooh.
Oh, look at that river.
Right there. The trailer's gone from right there. It's just a fishing field. Race car.
What? Hello, boxes.
This is the Rittertown Road. I mean, Simple Road. Nice backing stuff up.
Been in there, look there.
Yeah.
New house.
No, it never, for some reason, gets over it. Well, yeah, it's up to his front yard. It's his heart. I'm so sorry for them. Good heart. Oh, Lord, look at this.
Through here, look down through here.
Yeah, everybody's out trying to find the...
Here, listen here. Yeah. It's still coming across through there and up through under where it always does.
Oh, look at this tree.
Yeah. Big Hodge car, look here.
Uh-oh. Man, what are you gonna do, huh?
That's if it needs to get.
Well, yeah, we've got pretty bad down there. There's 2 school buses in the water.
Hey,
Yeah.
excuse me, ma'am. Did you tell us what happened?
I witnessed it all. Sir, the mountains rushing up.
This is that house where all the trout was at, and it's ruining it. Don't know where the trailer come from. Or it shed, for that matter. There's a dog chain. I hope they got the dog. Where that shed come from. Lawnmower and stuff in there. All piece.
Well, their truck's ruined, and the car's ruined.
I mean, what you go through Rittertown.
It tore every piece of underpinning out.
Man, oh man. Yeah.
Van, look at the van over to the right.
What's it on? The porch?
Yeah.
Look at this dumpster.
Where'd that come from? There's a dumpster right here in the middle of nowhere. That might be house calls for all we know.
That come from road that runs.
Royal Road. What are they doing now? That's somebody.
Chopper coming in. I believe that's a news helicopter.
You sure? Now we're in Rome Mountain. I think they got it the worst. Houses is just fell into other houses.
Oh, look down yonder. It was a house. See the top of it, the roof?
Oh, man. Let me give me that. At the roof something, we don't know what it is yet. That's another roof. Here's the roof of something else. Look, what's that? A trailer that's scrunched into the other one? That thing's cut in half, Brian. See, the top of it's up here. What's this in between?
That's a trailer pushed into a house, and then there's another trailer up here pushed into the shed that's pushed into the other trailer. See that house there's been pushed off. See where it was sitting up here?
Oh, something was here.
Yeah,
One of them was right there.
Trailer. That's what I just said. See that trailer right there coming up?
Oh,
With that
yeah.
in there?
But something's in between here.
Yeah, there's another one, a shed. And then that must have been another little house or trailer.
Oh, man.
How's that propane tank?
Where?
There he's working trying to pull it up.
Oh, they must have defused it. I'll let whatever's out of it. Here's a mobile home up against this bridge. Refrigerator, stove, you name it. It's there.
There's a wagon!
Now, they used to sit right here, right? No.
Some of them did, but there was a couple, but the majority of them up here around this curve. So this must have come through there, though, down against that bridge. You get that?
Yeah, but I can see it real good. Garbage cans. Here's a line of how high it was up on the church. Right across the middle of the doors.
Yep. Look after trailers.
Oh, man. Oh, I feel so sorry. Here's the one that's moved. And here's where the trailer park was at.
Right there. Right over this arena they built for it. Get the street from this main driveway, look at it. Trying to get some stuff pictured. And underneath this here, look at his house.
Yep.
Cars.
Current, I think they just current it. Word.
Nice. Tanks. Little tanks. He's waving at you.
What is he? Totally moved. There's a dumpster. I mean, every bit of that back there is flooded. I mean, a big hole. Shoved this trailer into this other trailer. And the fence and the playground completely up.
You ain't got no pictures up here.
Oh, Lord, it tore down trees up here.
What's behind it?
Yep.
It's more the flood. This house here got like come off its foundation and moved about 30 feet.
What happened down there? Oh, just pavements everywhere down there. Oh, is it? Now, what was right there? Wasn't there some mobile homes right there or something?
Look how them cars are stacked on top of each other.
Boom, boom, boom.
Buried, that one's buried up there about it.
Yeah.
Trailer there, tore up.
You should see the mud that's up on it.
See one of them runners still up across the street. The flood, it's more the flood. Trailer you set right there was the office, and it's now down here. Piled against trees. Fire department's ventilating that gas tank over there, big propane tank, so it don't blow up. More of what it did. Old clubhouse is gone. Used to be the tennis courts and the road. Football field. Fire department's got King Can Alley blocked off. Trailer down there split in half on that tree.
Compressor.
Man, look at all that. Get them in cars. This camera, I'll picture this.
They're washing their stuff off, bless their heart. Hear me? Come on, Anna.
It's all down Tin Can Alley.
Tore everybody's fences down, man.
You can call a fire truck in it. Any one you want to do? Okay, let's see.
I'd say pull it over here and they put that place in here.
This is Jim's truck, Blazer. It's all piled in against each other down here. Wayne carried it over all by himself.
I said, well, if he was, he wanted to start up then I could reach him, you know? He wanted me to blow, so I said, listen,
I don't know. It was
They picked it up and carried it across.
It was behind us because it's
This was water department. Police car over there. Another car over there. Oh, same cars, different angle. Having him a ball. It's deep right there. Look there. He opened his door and let the water out.
you want to go through it? Golly.
Yeah, I will. I'll start right on out in there.
He no fun.
It's coming a snowstorm. It's supposed to just rain for the next 2 days. It's coming down big flakes earlier.
You want me to keep bringing here? Dad. Dad. Hold on.
Henry's going to Casey's. Hey! It's coming down good.
so hard to listen to.
And you really have to have a lot of training and experience to be able to
Shoot that stupid dog.
hearing the stories over and over again, and that's what a trauma counselor has to be able to do. You have to be able to tolerate all the details over and over, and it's a huge burden, both for the person who's going through it and for the professional. So Montel is right. There is someone who's qualified to help you, but not everybody can do this kind of work.
She comes back. Suddenly we've got some snow. It's still pouring.
Get that video camera light. Can we come around back?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Hurry up. Yeah. Hey, hurry up. This button, babe. It's 5:30.
Yeah.
This button, me.
Mario, come in, Lily. They're not over here. Over
Well, it came a big snowstorm. I bet we got over 12 inches out there. Get Andrew's trampoline.
Look, about to drop. You know what? Last night, I got off the phone, and I was going to call Mama, and Daddy was calling us having signatures at the same time, and then Daddy said, hang up that phone. I hung it up, turned it back on, dialed it again. He hit dial and dialed it again.
That's what it looks like. That's how deep it is. This is a road. Broke my bushes over. Power line dropping. basketball goal, scored 2 points. He ain't going nowhere, I know that. That was heavy pushing the fence over.
This is Brian shoveling off the porch, and it is huge. You can tell it's up over the shovel when you put the shovel down in there. You can pick up this and load. He's just having to push it off. God, lots of snow.
Mama, you
What?
do this for me.
Here's the bird feeder, and here's this table. It just looks like a big mushroom.
That's all.
Yeah.
Andrea's shoveling the snow. Get out of here. Was that Foxy? Foxy slipped in. No, don't get on it.
Here's Andrea out in the snow. She's having herself a good time.
I'm just sitting on my droopy trampoline.
You just what?
Sitting on my droopy trampoline.
You droopy trampoline. Put your hat on. What? Look how deep that is.
Your hands are going to be wet in a minute, and I'm going to whoop you, and you will go in the house. Angie, go in there and find her good gloves.
Okay. So there we go. It's pumped on his back about it.
Your eyes.
Visit Fazoli's in Johnson City, Bristol, and Kingsport.
Well, it's Target time once again, Wednesday morning. I'm Jody Lee, and look at what we got this week on sale, the lowest price we have ever offered on the Bissell Power Broom multi-feature vacuum. It's got Power Broom brush, bare floor setting, and more. $99.99.
She can't hardly make it through that snow. It's so big.
Also, we have got the Hoover Wind Tunnel Supreme.
No, don't go there, Andrew. Don't go there. Oh, man.
For $249.99. And the Hoover Wind Tunnel says we got more dirt than any other clean air upright. It's got onboard tools. The whole thing, again, $249.99. Terrific price on that. And if you don't believe me, you just shop around a little bit. You'll see I'm right. So look at McDonald's classic hamburgers only $39.
Here's Brian. He's trying to get the bird fed. Bird feeder was full of snow. He's cleaned it out. Oreo thinks he's going to help.
Record Foxy. I'm gonna record Foxy. Look at her. I'm gonna record Foxy. Look at her. Record her. Record Foxy. Look at her.
Hang on. What's it doing?
Foxy. Look. Look.
Hello, Foxer. What you doing? She's trying to bake for chips for me, Andrea.
Give me one more. That's it.
We've got the